Hey guys, I'm Matt the Woodshed Barber, and today I'm going to be showing you something just a little bit different. So, in the world of barbering online, you see people all the time post haircuts that are truly picked for that situation. There's certain heads of hair that the density is perfect to show off a fade. But let's be real, that's not everyday barbering. Not all your clients will have evenly dispersed hair. Not all your clients want a skin tight fade. So I'm just going to show you, there's not going to be much instruction to this because it has some of the instruction on the screen. But I'm going to show you a good example of one of the bread and butter haircuts I do all the time. This guy comes in every 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, and he gets the same haircut. Been cutting his hair for 12 years, and it's just standard, just a standard haircut. So what this is going to showcase is the fact that you can do everything, blend everything perfectly, but sometimes the hair just doesn't have that blurry look to it. Why? Because of maybe ridges or dimples in the scalp, hair density, different things, hair color even. So I hope you guys enjoy this. This is just going to be a quick music video type thing. So enjoy the cut. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please click that like button, subscribe, share this with your barber friends. Let's get this community growing. Let's keep those comments humble and kind, and as always, I'll check you guys in the next one.